Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you a profit update for the BYBIT grid bot that I deployed just about 90 days ago. And if you're not familiar with how a grid bot operates, basically the mission of a grid bot is to buy low and sell high. So when the price dips down, the bot is buying, and when the price rips back up, the bot is selling for profit. And your grid is typically made up of red and green lines. The green lines are your open limit buy orders, and the red lines are your open limit sell orders. So again, the idea is when the price goes down, the bot is buying as it hits the green lines, and when the price rips back up and starts taking out the red lines, the open limit sell orders, it is selling for a profit. So the price action you'd be looking for is one with a lot of volatility, like you see here on the chart, where the price is dipping and ripping back up, and each time it dips down, you're buying at a lower price, and when it rips up, the bot is capturing profit. So that's enough jaw jacking. Let's get right into the numbers. And so we'll jump over here to my BYBIT account. Now, if you don't have a BYBIT account, I will drop a link in the description down below. And if you use my link to join BYBIT, I believe you'll get a discount on your trading fees. Now, in order to get to my actual bot stats, I need to come over to the trade tab, scroll down to where you see trading bot, give that a click. That will land you on the BYBIT trading bot dashboard, and then under my bots, I can just click on view my bots running, and that will bring me over here to my active bots. You can see I have the one spot grid bot that I deployed 91 days ago, so just about 3 months ago, and the current P&L right now for this grid bot is $54 or 21%, so essentially about 7% per month in this current bear market. So in reality, that's not too bad of a return. Now, if we click on details for this particular grid bot, we can get a little more details for the actual stats here. And under the status tab, you can see my total investment was only $250, and I currently have a realized profit of $54. So if I was to shut this bot down right now, I would capture $54 in profit, or that 21%. Again, for a 90-day period in this current bear market. I'm actually satisfied with those type of results because I've actually done literally nothing with this bot since the day I deployed it. I deployed it, pretty much forgot about it, and then the other day when ETH pumped, I realized this bot was probably out of range, and if you jump down here, you can see that my price range for this bot was on the low end $11.90 and on the high end $14.09, and with ETH now trading over $1,500, this bot is essentially out of range. And unfortunately, BYBIT does not currently allow you to adjust your price range. So today I am going to go ahead and terminate this bot. So I just click on terminate. And so then I have a couple options of how I like to close this bot out. Now, my total position value under the grid bot, I actually hold 0.01173 ETH and 286 USDT. So now I need to decide how I want to actually cash this bot out. And I started with USDT on this bot, so I am going to actually close this bot out in USDT. Now, I could choose the ETH plus USDT, and I would end up with the ETH the bot currently holds and USDT, or I could have everything converted over to ETH, but I'd be buying at a higher price right now than when I deployed the bot, so that doesn't really make sense. I actually want to go ahead, capture all my profit right now, which will equate to $304. And so that is the option that makes the most sense to me. I deployed this bot with 250 USDT, and again, it's up $54. And so when I terminate the bot and choose the USDT option, I will receive this 304 USDT. So I click confirm, and the bot has been successfully terminated. So I think that pretty much wraps it up. I just wanted to give you a quick update on how this grid bot actually performed over the 90-day period that it was deployed. I also wanted to show you how to actually terminate and capture the profit from this bot. So with that all being said, in the future, I will more than likely deploy more of these grid bots. And so you might want to go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on those videos. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.